In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Netflix search not finding old shows. Let's get started. First, launch your Netflix app or head over to the official website of Netflix. Provide your credentials and log into your account. First, ensure you have entered the correct title. Try searching with different keywords, the full name of the show or the name of an actor or actress. Sometimes a slight spelling mistake or an abbreviated title can prevent the correct results from appearing. Next, check whether the title is still available in your country. Netflix regularly adds and removes content as licensing agreements change. So an older show may no longer be available in your region. If you recently traveled to another country, your Netflix library may be different because the available content varies by location. Next up, you can try to update your Netflix app. For that, head over to App Store or Play Store. Search for Netflix. If you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next thing you want to do is sign out of Netflix account and sign back in. This refreshes your account session and can resolve temporary search issues. Next up, check your internet connection, switch between network, give a first restart your router. Likewise, disable for the option of VPN. In case you are connected to VPN, disable it. Finally, if a specific older show no longer appears, it may have been removed from Netflix due to expired licensing rights. In that case, the title won't appear in search until Netflix renews the license or adds it back to its catalog. So that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.